Hello guys, welcome to my channel Connie's Delight, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to bake some chocolate chip shortbread cookies. Trust me, this is easy, delicious, and very tasty. So first off, let's start with some margarine and butter mixture, some chocolate chip, some granulated sugar, and some all-purpose flour with some salt. So you can feel free to use only butter, but because butter is quite expensive here, so I made use of a high quality margarine and butter, equal parts. Then I'll be adding some granulated sugar and I'll be mixing this. Please do not cream. I'll just be mixing this for about 10 seconds. You can use a spatula or a wooden stick to just turn this for 10 seconds. Don't cream, please. Then I'll be going in with the flour salt mixture and I'll be sifting this to make sure air is well incorporated into the dough. So if you're new to this channel, I want to say welcome to Connie's Delight, and you're in a safe space, trust me. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Share this video to your friends, your families, and to my existing subscribers, thank you for sticking around. I do appreciate you. So I'll just be giving this a gentle mix. At this point, you can use your hand to mix. It's completely optional. Or you can use a spatula or whatever you have that can mix it. Just make sure everything is well incorporated. And our shortbread cookies is ready. I told you it's very easy, right? Trust me, this is very easy. So I'll be using my spatula to just gently bring all the ingredients together to make sure they're all married properly. So where are you watching from? Let me know in the comment section. I would like to know. And I'll be adding the chocolate chips at this point, and I'll just be folding this into the dough, and our shortbread cookies is ready. So as I told you earlier, this is very easy and I'm keeping to my word. So I've used this recipe since 2021 and it's a proper standard Scottish recipe. So here I'm adding some vanilla extract. It's completely optional, but at times I'm in the mood to add vanilla, sometimes I'm not. So just do you. If you do not want to add, you can add. If you want to add, feel free to add, and you still enjoy the biscuits. So are you enjoying this recipe? And would you like to see more of baking or cooking recipes? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you would like to see from Connie's Delight channel. Yes. So I'll just be putting rolling this into a bowl, and I'll be putting this in my refrigerator for some few minutes because I want to bake it now. If you're not ready to bake this, wrap in a cling film and refrigerate this, or put in your freezer. It's safe up to 3 months and there's no hurry here. So after about 30 minutes, my dough is ready to be baked. So I'll be rolling this and using a cookie cutter to cut out the dough. So that's very easy. So I'll take a parchment paper and put some water under it to make sure it's stable. So I'll just be rolling this and cutting it. That's all. So you can actually use this as a slice and bake. You can roll them into logs and cut. Yes, or you can put them into fingers, shortbread fingers, whatever you like. So just do you. It's your biscuit, so do what you like to do. So but this is what I wanted to do here with this shortbread. Don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, and give me a thumbs up. It goes a very long way to supporting my channel. It goes a very long way, and I'll appreciate this. To my existing subscribers, I want to say a big thank you for sticking around. And yes, so look at how beautiful these cookies are. Perfectly round shape. So we'll be baking this, and that's all. The cookies is ready. You could use any shape of cookie cutter you like, and this is what I had here. So you can see how beautiful they're looking. So I'm just going to be doing this for the remaining batch, and once I'm done, I'll be baking in the oven and our shortbread cookies will be ready. If you're enjoying this recipe, give me a thumbs up, put a nice comment in the comment section. I'll be reading this. And yes, our cookies is ready to be baked. So I'll be topping this with some granulated sugar. This is completely optional, but I like that extra crunch it gives. So I do add granulated sugar to my shortbread cookies. Then I'll be using a fork to prick some holes in the shortbread cookies to make sure everything bakes evenly in the oven. This is recommended. Please don't forget to use a fork to prick some holes inside. So yes, then I'll be topping this with some extra chocolate chip to just make everything nice and beautiful. And yes, our shortbread cookies is ready to be baked. I'll bake this for about 20-25 minutes, and this is what it looks like after that. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, see you next time.